Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. What's your favorite way to get up and go? I wasn't going to do a video this morning because I haven't had any coffee yet, and I realized that coffee, a nice cup of coffee in the morning, is my favorite way to get moving, get talking, get into work or business or whatever activities it is that I have to do for the day. No matter what day of the week it is, I like to start my day with a cup of coffee. And I am coffeeless this morning, so my question for you today is, what is your favorite way? What's your favorite strategy? What gets you moving? What gets you excited? What's your favorite way to get up and go? Share in the comments below. And I just want to remind you that on August 1st, just 6 days away, we will be beginning the 8th free 30-plus day Get Up and Go challenge. All about you installing in your subconscious a way to handle changes and challenges no matter what comes your way, that's guaranteed to give you better results than after the challenge and before you experience the challenge. If you've had strategies and dealt with challenges in your life, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I say some challenges we breeze through and we can handle no matter what. Other challenges, and with COVID-19, I think all of us got a dose of how do we really handle challenges and changes, especially when they affect so many of us and so many different areas and aspects of our life. Do we have a process or a system or a way of doing that? Or do we just do them ad hoc? A change comes, something happens outside of us, and then we just react to it. This challenge is all about making sure that you're doing the best thing for you each and every time from now on, from the challenge for the rest of your life. All right. Share in the comments below, what's your favorite way to get up and go? Remember the next challenge starting right here on the Get Up and Go challenge page. Free, 30 days, 10 minutes or less a day. I'm promising that. We might do some bonus sessions if I want to share more, or if I want to share some special guests. But for right now, 10 minutes a day for the lesson. And then your action item, because you're going to have an assignment every day, an action item, because the only way we actually change our lives is by taking action toward the things that we learn and hear and experience. So we'll do a little thing every day that will change your life in amazing ways. I absolutely positively guarantee it. All right, have an amazing day. Share in the comments below your best way to get up and go, and I will be with you tomorrow.